Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by cutting power. Shut down, unplug, and remove battery when you can, then wait 30 seconds to clear residual charge. Once done, attach an external USB keyboard to confirm whether the issue is hardware versus software. While powered off, flip the laptop and use short bursts of compressed air, then gently clean around sticky keys with a cotton swab and 70% isopropyl. Make sure to note which keys fail and whether they are intermittent before proceeding to internal checks. Once you've confirmed it's not external, boot into safe mode or the BIOS to see if keys work before the OS loads. That tells you if drivers are the culprit. Next, uninstall the keyboard driver and reboot so the system reinstalls it automatically, and then update your OS and chipset drivers. Make sure keyboard layout and language match your physical keyboard, and disable accessibility features like filter keys that can block short presses. If firmware updates exist for your laptop, apply them carefully and reboot. For final resolution, you'll open the case only if comfortable. Reseat the keyboard ribbon cable and secure its latch. A loose connector often causes partial failure. If individual key mechanisms are broken, replace keycaps or the scissor switches. For multiple dead areas, replace the entire keyboard assembly. Test after each action and use the on-screen keyboard while you work. If problems continue, swap in a known good keyboard or seek professional repair. Do this especially if liquid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.